hours for swimmers. Here you can see the old pools, which also allowed us to save a lot of resources. The resources for making new tribunes allowed us to basically build one more pool. And they are not needed. We were basically seeing that here from the 70s. The only people that usually use this is the families or competitors, but it's only full when there is an event, and events for swimming only happens maybe once every 2 years. So it was also the excuse we used to engage with the public administrators to support the idea of this empty space that we never call a street at that point. We just call it the space for the temporary structures and tribunes. Synchronized swimming pool was a super interesting commission. Part of the brief, and is that the synchronized swimming team has never had a proper pool to train in Medellin. They require a deeper pool. It's a really strange sport. It's very difficult to engage with, and that's probably why the synchronized swimming league, they probably don't have a lot of resources. Basically, for us, became an interesting project because it was clearly the most beautiful sport as event and as a spectacle, but also the one that is more difficult to engage with. So usually their audience is their families or other competitors. So we were interested in taking that event into the street, also to create the reason to be there in that point. So it was basically about opening windows and having them in the widest area of the street, just in the middle of the project. So it's the only raised pool